I'll show you how to remove an object, like a text, any object in the photo. So yeah, you might have a perfect photo and you just want to remove an object within the photo, and yeah, it could be sign, text, so so this is Corel Paint Shop Pro 2018. So what I'll do, I'll load an image. I'll pick this one, my good friend created, Chris Bennett from the Philippines. So if I want to remove this logo within the photo and use the image itself as a YouTube header, actually this image, view image, page information, image information, 2560 by 1440 pixels, so that's within the boundaries, but it's a bit short actually, so that's a whole image. So what I want to do is open another another new YouTube header, 2560 by 1440, resolutions, pixels. I'll just leave that for now. So anyway, that's the image there, that's the image there. I'll just swap them over. There you go. Alright, so what I'll show in this tutorial is how to remove an object out of a picture. Just center that a bit better. Alright, so what we'll do is go to the selection tool. This is actually pretty straightforward in Paint Shop Pro 2018, same as Cyberlink. I actually found this a bit easier in Paint Shop Pro, what I thought was better than Cyberlink itself. But I'll do the reviews on Cyberlink and you can choose which ones are better. So if we go to the selection tool, I'll just go freehand selection for now. So I'll select what I want to remove. So I want to remove this text. I'll go to actions and the magic fill. So this will remove the text from a picture and actually backfill the area with what's behind it. So there you go. So it's all done. So now we have that's that. Now we have all done. I'll just broaden that, enhance that image a bit. That'll do me. Alright, so there you go. And again, I don't know what these are. These are probably when this was created. And again, you can actually use freehand selection, magic wand, smart selection brush, or auto selection. I just found it easier to go to square selection, or you go freehand selection, and you might want to remove this jeepney, for instance. In within that, that's right. There you go. So the image can actually be fixed. I'll go back. I'll show you how to fix this image here. I'll take a bit closer. What do we got here? I don't know where this has come from. So object remover, paintbrush, text, image. So this is a clone. This is a clone. Just get rid of this. Where are we? Got to clone that there. So we'll continue. Oops. Actually, go back a couple more. Clone that there. Oh. Clone that there. that. Right click. So what I'm doing, I'm using this object is what's finished, and the one to the right is what it's going to mimic. And to mimic an area, you right click a mouse, say I want a tree, right click a mouse, well, that new object stays there, and you can put a tree there now. Let's remove that, clean this image up a little bit. So right click that, just get rid of some of this. Oh, here we go, caught the tree again. Looks a bit better. Right click this flag here. Anyway, I'll be putting another logo within that anyway, so go back to what that looks like. So I'll be replacing that with another text anyway, so you can tidy that up more. So what I'll do now, so I want to extract this, image and make it fit the logo next door. Next to it. So this actually is a bit small for YouTube header. Actually, I wonder if I can selection tool. Can I select all that? So go to edit, cut. So that's cut. Go to my 2550 by 1440, the right size for me YouTube header. Paste a new layer. You see how short it's fallen. What we'll do, we'll just bring those out, play it up a little bit, fix that up a little bit. So that's our new header logo. And now if we go to image information, so we're at 2560 by 1440, so that's perfect size for YouTube header. Okay, so, and I'll just put something in the middle. Make it 30, actually more than that, 48, 100. So, thanks for watching. This tutorial was on how to remove an object within a photos, yeah, either one, in Corel Paint, goodness, Gibberix Paint Shop Pro 2018. Alright, so that was it, and anyway, thanks for that. Hopefully you learned something, and yeah, I'll be doing a few more tutorials on this Paint Shop Pro, and yeah, hope it helps. It's a very good program, this. I actually quite like it. Alright, stay tuned for some more. Please like, subscribe and comment below, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.